Hi guys, I'm heading today, I've come away from the campsite and I'm heading for the birthplace of the Olympic Games, Olympus. There's a museum and I believe the actual place where the first Olympic Games took place. So I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Never got my bike sorted. The guy wrote back to me, this is from the previous video, the guy wrote back to me with a couple of ideas and I tried the couple of ideas and it didn't work. And that's not a way of me getting off riding the bike. You know, I think all those wee streets I come up, it's just Google getting it wrong again. It didn't seem like I was going somewhere world famous up wee side streets, but that's where Google brings you. I can't figure out the weather in Greece. It's beautiful again today, and weather forecast is for snow, for heavy snow. Doesn't seem like it. I think that's the museum. We will find out shortly. Hello there. That's bronze inscribed with the names of the athletes of the 1st century. Olympia. Were held without break from 776 BC to AD 393, a period of 1,169 years. Isn't that amazing? Every 4 years, at the second full moon after the summer solstice. Discus. Lots of missing heads. I think I can walk in that okay, but I'm not going to. 2,000 years old mosaic. That was very interesting. Not knowing the history, not much I can say, but thousands of years ago. Oh, it's just hard to get your head around how different it would have been back then. Lovely place. Again, no people. walk the whole place and film, but I don't think people want to watch too much, just enough to give you a feel for the place. It's a very big site. I've been told it's closing in 50 minutes, so I haven't got that much time to read signs, so I'll look up anything important when I get back. I wonder if there's a model of what they think it looked like. That would be interesting. The seat of the dignitaries of the sanctuary who were responsible for the sacrifices carried out at the altars. Oh. This was a workshop where they built the various monuments and everything. Thoroughly enjoyed that. What a lovely way to spend a couple of hours. As I said when I was at the first castle, there's an air about these places, you know, it really makes you think. Such a different world. And for the museum, wind has just got strong. I hope this isn't hope it isn't affecting the sound. But for the museum, and what we've just looked at, it was €6 for nothing. And yeah, from this little, I need to go to little as usual. I think I'll leave the video off there. 3:30 in the afternoon, an hour's drive back to the campsite, a little in between. And if the weather keeps up, I'm going to bring the dogs to the beach. But that's it for now. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment, and please, if you haven't subscribed and you enjoy, please subscribe. But until next time, bye for now.